Yesterday we did some STAR practice for your exit ticket. This is the data from it. We're only looking at first block. And comparatively, we did really, really well. We practiced with some of the areas that you struggled with on benchmark common assessment. Today, the STAR practice that you were doing is also gonna be, it's like tailored to how you guys did on benchmark. Some of like the areas that were harder for y'all. Identifying literary devices, trying to decide between two answer choices that are really similar. Those are the kind of areas that we need to like practice on to improve for your STAR next week. Today, we are going to do more practice. We're gonna try to push the 280s to the 90s, and we're gonna try and get some of you 90% to 100%, so we're gonna like really keep improving. It's been a while since we've talked about these. We have our multiple choice pro tips that we learned a while back. I'm going to see if you guys can think way back and remember what these pro tips were. Jason has his hand up for the first one already. Tell me. What's that?
Like crossing out.
Crossing out? Crossing out like answer choices?
Yeah.
Which is, okay, so that's a good, what he's saying is good. That's a good strategy to use for March STAR. You go through the answer choices and like any that you think aren't it, just cross them off right away. That wasn't a pro tip though. Let's go, Angelita.
Covering the answers.
Good, that was one of them, was covering the answers. So I have them like in order, and I think covering the answers was number 2 or 3.
Highlight and underline.
Good, you're highlighting and underlining what?
The question. No, you need the answer.
Yes, very good. So you're underlining and highlighting where the answer is in the text, and then you write the question next to it. Okay, that's good. That's one of them. And then I think pro tip number 3 was where you cover your hand. Anybody remember, Rafi, what was 2?
Annotate the question.
Very good. So you annotate the question. What are you really being asked to do? What's the most important part? And number 3, of course, is, like Angelita said, you cover the answer choices and you write something really simple that you think the answer is. You move your hand away and see if it's there. Okay? And that'll help you narrow down. Then you can like combine with what Jason said. You can like cross off the ones that are just complete opposite or nowhere near that one. We're going to use those today. Those are really good strategies. I was really proud of a lot of you guys during benchmark. When I walked around, I was like monitoring my class, and a lot of you guys were using those. Awesome job. 10 seconds at your table, you're going to choose a vacation spot. No one can choose the same image. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5. If you chose Times Square, raise your hand. If you chose Disney World, raise your hand. Okay, well, yeah, there's 3 of you guys. Yellowstone and Miami. All right. As you answer your STAR questions today, you are going to use one of the pro tips. Remember, it's very, very important for you to write why you chose the answer that you chose. We're going to see if we can improve from yesterday's multiple choice. Any questions? Okay, you have 15 minutes. This is independent, this is silent work, starting now. Natalie's using her